Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix missing effect controls panel and no toolbar on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I have my effect controls and my toolbar right here. So I'm just gonna remove them so that I can show you how you can retrieve them in case you lost them. So I'm just gonna click on Close Panel. So to do that, it's very simple. All you have to do is go into Windows right here and go for Effect Controls. Make sure that you have this checked right here. Go click on it, and then you would have your effect controls right here, and then you can just rearrange them in case they would be messed up right there. And then let's go for the toolbar. So we're gonna click on Tools right here, and now we have the toolbar, and all we have to do now is resize it just like so. And if in any case you have some other windows, panes, or panels, whatever you may call it, all you have to do is go into Window. If you find them missing right here in your workspace, then you can just find it right here and make sure that it's checked. And for whatever reason that your workspace is all messed up, then what you can do is go into Window, Workspaces, and then you can click on Reset to save layout, and then it would reset to default or your save layout right here. And you can also save this workspace. You can save as a new workspace so that you can just load it whenever you'd want. So if you want to work this kind of workspace, then you can just go here and choose your saved workspace. So for example, I want to go to my saved workspace called VO Workspace, and then as you can see, I can just load that workspace in just one click, as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.